Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about humoral and cellular immunity. The body has three lines of defense to protect the body against microorganisms. The first line of defense is the skin and the mucous membrane. The second line of defense is a series of reaction where we have macrophage, we have other type of phagocytic cell that protects our body, and the third line of defense is the immunity. Our immunity, and we have two type of immunity: humoral and cellular immunity. So here in this slide, you can see the line of this defense that I was talking. All the first and the second line of defense are part of the rapid response innate immunity. So those mechanisms, we are born with them. So macrophage, natural killer cell, neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, dendritic cell. Those cells are here to defend our body in the second line of defense. And here we have the adaptive immunity, which is what we're going to talk about in this video, which is the um, cellular and the humoral immunity. Those are more specific, so they function. The first line of defense and second line of defense, they act as globally as possible. Any bacteria, any viruses that enter our body, they defend us again. But the specific or the immunity is for selected bacterias that they have antigen for. Let's talk about the cellular immunity. The cellular immunity is basically to destroy microorganisms inside cells where our body fluid doesn't have access to. And how is a mechanism how it functions. We have here a microbe or a microorganism inside the cell that is foreign. We have T helper cells. Those cells will attack those infected cell or the cell that are foreign to our body, and they're going to attack it directly in the cellular immunity. So the T helper cell will go by how do you call it again? Co-stimulation. They're going to link to each other with the antigen presenting cell, and then by co-stimulation, it is going the T helper cell is going to multiply, and then they're going to attack the foreign cell or the infected cell directly. That is for the cellular immunity. For the humoral immunity, the body is not going to attack those cells directly, but rather flag them with antigen so that other cells can phagocytize them. So you have cell um, uh, MHC presenting cells, and then it's going to link with a T lymphocyte, and this T lymphocyte is going to multiply, and by multiplication is going to produce more antigen, and those antigens are going to flag the cells that need to be destroyed, and then phagocytes, big white blood cells, is going to destroy those cells. Thank you for watching.